What is suppressed Amazon listing and how to fix it? What is suppressed Amazon listing? When Amazon suppresses or deactivates a product listing, it is called suppressed Amazon listing. It occurs when a product listing is either incomplete or is not correctly formatted. Also, suppressed Amazon listings can occur when some of the product listings on the store are non-compliant with Amazon standards or the listings are missing the required data as per Amazon's policies.
What is the cause of suppressed Amazon listings? Following are the reasons which can cause suppressed Amazon listings. If you have not added the main image for your product. If the added main image is not as per Amazon's guidelines. For example, the image does not have a white background. If you have not added the required values in the category field. If your product listing does not have a detailed product description. If any of your product listings do not have a category type defined.
How to fix suppressed listings on Amazon. Follow the steps below to fix Amazon blocked listings on Amazon. 1. On your seller account, click on the Inventory tab and select the Manage Inventory option. 2. Select Suppressed in the top navigation pane if available. 3. Select the viewing options, All suppressed listings or image missing, as required to display the suppressed listing. 4. Select a product listing, and then click the Edit button. Now, either select Edit, top option, or Manage Images. 5. Select the alert indicator located on the Amazon product summary page. 6. Finally, click on Save and Finish.
How to prevent suppressed listings on Amazon. Always add the main image while creating your product listings. Check whether the image you have added is as per the standards and guidelines created by Amazon. Always remember to create product listing titles that are no exceeding 100 characters. Never use promotional words like top rated, best, cheapest, etc. in your product listing titles. Use creative words instead of such promotional words. Try not to create duplicate listings for your products. How to determine if you have suppressed listings on Amazon. There are 4 ways to determine the suppressed listings on Amazon. Manually check your product listings regularly to ensure that you have no current suppressed listings. Use reputable Amazon seller software to identify your suppressed product listings. Hire Amazon virtual assistants that will regularly check your product listings and identify if there are any current suppressed listings. Take Amazon optimization services.
How Amazon suppressed listings can impact your business. If Amazon suppresses one of your product listings, then that particular product won't be visible in the search results of the customers. Therefore, your targeted customers won't be able to purchase the product despite it being available in the inventory.
Due to the product not being available for the customers to purchase, Amazon suppressed listings will not only impact the sales figures of your e-commerce business, minimizing the profit and overall income, but it will also impact the customer base.
Contact us website www.data4amazon.com. Email address info@data4amazon.com. Phone number 1-585-283-0055.